guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a DIY for you guys, and you guys know I love DIYs. I live on DIYs. Can I do that? So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So in today's video, I have a DIY for you guys. In this bottle, this is just a fragrance bottle, but I've mixed water and oil in it. So basically, I discovered this, well, I don't know if I discovered it, but I got some tea tree oil recently and I was just playing around with it. It looks like this. I got this at Shopper Drug Mart and this was about $9 something to $10, and I was just playing around with it and looking at what it does and what it can do. And for somehow, I don't know how I got to the part where I made this. Now this is a cleansing. I use this to clean my brush. I had to clean my brushes, but then I used it on one brush and it cleaned really well. And I was like, oh my god. So I cleaned all my brushes. So basically, if you clean your brushes like 2 times a month or 3 times a month, you can at least clean it once a month now, because like give it like a proper cleansing. But throughout the other 2 times, you can use this to clean your brush. It works if you're on the go, if you're, I don't know, if you do people makeup and you're constantly doing other people's makeup, you don't have the time to clean your brushes. I think this is great because you literally just spray it and it cleans your brushes. So let's get into how to make this. With me, I have an empty makeup set and spray by e.l.f. This is just an empty bottle. I'll just open it. That's water. I washed it. I also have some water in this bottle, so we're basically gonna we're gonna fill this like 3/4 bottle of water, or a little past 3/4, maybe like right here. So now you have this much water, which is gonna take the tea tree oil. We're gonna put like 7 drops of the tea tree oil in here, and it does come with a little thing, so it does allow you to put drops. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give this a good shake now. And there you have it. Both are the same. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how it actually cleans a brush. So that was it. I hope you guys found that really useful. I hope you do try this out. If you do, comment it down below and let me know if it worked out for you or not. I think this is a wonderful way to just clean your brushes on the go. Maybe if you're going out for a vacation or something and you're not just trying to do that really deep clean in there, but it's really like you're just cleaning your brush temporarily. It works really well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, I'll see you guys soon. Until then, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day, sweetheart. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.